Hello everyone, today I introduce to you garlic Parmesan chicken meatloaves. 1. Ingredients: 500 g ground chicken, you can substitute with ground beef if preferred. Half a cup Italian breadcrumbs. A quarter cup grated Parmesan cheese. A quarter cup milk. Half a cup grated mozzarella cheese, optional, for topping. 1 egg. 2 tablespoons finely chopped parsley. 1 teaspoon seasoned salt. Half a teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 to 2 tablespoons olive oil, for brushing. 2. Instructions. 1. Prepare the meat. In a large bowl, combine ground chicken, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, egg, chopped parsley, minced garlic, oregano, seasoned salt, and black pepper. 2. Add milk. Pour the milk into the mixture and mix well. This step helps keep the chicken moist during baking. 3. Shape the loaves. Divide the mixture into 4 equal parts, using your hands to shape each part into an oval loaf or any desired shape. 4. Brush with olive oil. Place the loaves on a baking sheet and lightly brush the tops with olive oil to help retain moisture. 5. Bake. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius and bake the loaves for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius. 6. Optional cheese topping. If desired, sprinkle mozzarella cheese on top of the loaves and bake for an additional 5 minutes to melt the cheese. 7. Rest and serve. Remove the loaves from the oven and let them rest for about 5 minutes to allow the juices to redistribute throughout the meat. Then, slice and enjoy. Thank you for watching the channel. Please subscribe to the channel to learn more recipes to cook at home.